Ah, Zoe the view. Yan. This is the, anong tawag dito sa
Waterfall. Ilulugang tak-tak.
tak-tak? Oo.
Sige na.
Antipolo. Bye! Manila, 1,171 kilometers.
Feel the daylight on our skin. We are young, we feel everything. Yeah, it's starting to begin. Hear the words we were meant to sing. Close my eyes, I feel where we are, where we are. We can run all night till the dawn, till the dawn. We light it up like the stars. No more fear of hiding. Stay where we are. We're the ones. We can break the silence. We can break the silence. We can break the silence.
Kahit sabihin nila na masarap, mahirap siyang kainin kasi paano mo sasabihin sa ilong mo, huwag mo amuyin habang inunguya mo.
Feel the daylight on our skin. We are young, we feel everything. It's starting to begin. Hear the words we were meant to sing. Close my eyes, I feel where we are, where we are. We can run all night till the dawn, till the dawn. We light it up like the stars. No more fear of hiding. Stay where we are. We're the ones. We can break the silence.
And then along the way to the waterfall is really easy. Only
We
one
can
way.
break
But you
the
cross. Cross
silence.
just keep going to the waterfall. 那10分钟后呢，只有一条路，所以各位都不会迷路，记得要过那个吊桥。
Ayan, pagkababa namin dito sa may tour bus, bababa naman kami dito sa hagdan. Ba yung mga kuliglig dito? Narinig nyo ba yung mga kuliglig? Nice, oh, ang ganda. Kahit tingnan mo yung bridge, oh. Oh, that's it.
Feel the daylight on our skin. We are young, we feel everything. Yeah, it's starting to begin. Hear the words we were meant to sing. Close my eyes, I feel where we are, where we are. We can run all night till
Dito sa Shifen Bridge papunta sa Waterfall Park.
we are. We're the ones. We can break the silence. We can break the silence.
So I'm with my tour leader or the tour of the tour leader, right? Do you call yourself
Tour guide.
Tour guide. Connie.
Welcome.
Yeah, and we're here currently in Shifen
Waterfall.
So we're heading to Shifen Waterfalls, and next to Connie is Cathy.
Hello, I'm Kathy. Hello, everyone.
So yes, we booked ourselves in via Klook. We booked this tour via Klook, and I would say Connie is doing a very good job. She's been doing this tour guiding for just a year, and I would say she's really amazing. So you should book yourself in Klook, or otherwise she works in My Pro Guide in Taiwan. They're very on time, and I would say we're just happy and glad that we did this booking. Bye. Thank you. I got a recommendation.
Magalaw yung bridge, guys.
Yeah. It's moving. It's vibrating.
It's vibrating.
Maraming tao na malaki.
Ano pong isda?
Saan? Mami, mas pogi naman ako dito ah.
Oo naman. Yan, dig.
Siguro maligo dun sa gilid na yun. Masarap maligo dun sa gilid.
Talaga.
Daming koyo. Yung may mga saging nila rito kulay brown. Magbabalik bata itong mga to eh. Tingnan natin anong gagawin nila ha. So you have to sit, honey, hindi yan magsusway.
Hi!
Halika na.
Dito na lang. Dito na lang. Just stay here forever. Why not?
Halika na, maiwan tayo.
Na kami sa bus. Yan. Yan yung mga pamilya Pinera as in F. Tatakbo nga ka. Kapagod.